In today's video, we're gonna look at how to share your Prime account membership with your friends. You can now share the benefits of Amazon Prime with a few people. So to do that, head over to the app of Amazon Shopping. Once you're here, you just tap on the human icon on the bottom and tap on your account. Once you do, you can see a tons of options that you can choose from. You just need to scroll down a bit, and under account settings you'll see an option of manage your household. You just tap on this option. Now once you tap on manage your household, you'll need to choose the person or invite the person that you want to share the benefit. You can share it up to 2 adults, 4 teens and 4 child profiles. So choose your option. For now we're going to use add adult and type in the name of that person and also type in their email address. Once you type in both of these, you just tap on continue and tap on agree and continue. You can choose which options or which features that you want to share to the other person. You can check and uncheck these options and tap on continue. Now the last thing you need to do is send an invite. Just tap on send invite and the invitation will be sent to that person's email address, and the invitation link will be valid for 14 days. They don't accept it within 14 days, the invitation link will expire and you'll again need to send it. So that was the video on how to share Prime account membership with your friends. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Keep watching.